Keywords of the day. Add the veggies. 把菜倒进去. How about a little taste? 尝一尝. Keep stirring. 不停地翻炒. Chili pepper. 辣椒. Spicy. 辣. Let me get the bowls and chopsticks. 我来准备碗筷. All in today's Chinese studio.
The cooking oil, the you, is nice and hot. Let's add the veggies.
Run that past me again, Brendan. This time in Chinese. You can say, 把菜倒进去.
把菜倒进去.
菜, vegetables.
菜
倒进去 means to put into the wok.
倒进去.
把菜倒进去.
把菜倒进去. Add the veggies.
油已经热了，
那就把菜倒进去.
I'll throw in the 鸡蛋, the eggs too. How about a little taste?
Oh, that's what I love doing too. We call that 尝一尝.
尝一尝.
尝 means to taste.
尝
尝一尝.
尝一尝. How about a little taste?
菜炒好了吗？
尝一尝就知道了.
Hey, enough tasting and keep stirring, Yajie.
Okay, keep stirring. Remember is 不停地翻炒.
不停地翻炒.
不停地 means doing something without stopping.
不停地
翻炒 means stir.
翻炒.
不停地翻炒.
不停地翻炒. Keep stirring. And is it spicy enough?
Not yet. We need to add some chili pepper, some 辣椒.
辣椒. What's the word for spicy, Yaji?
That's the way Sichuan food is prepared. 很辣, very spicy.
辣. And if it's too spicy, I guess we can borrow a French expression and say, ooh la la.
That's a creative use of language, not one from the textbooks.
好像还不够辣。
那就再放些辣椒，然后不停地翻炒.
Those veggies look $1 million. Where are the bowls?
Here they are, the 碗.
One. Now everything is ready to sit down and chomp into the first Chinese meal ever cooked by myself. No need to use your fingers, Yaji. We do have some chopsticks too.
Okay, let me get the bowls and chopsticks. 我来准备碗筷. 我来 means let me do something.
我来
准备 literally means prepare.
准备
碗 is bowl.
碗
筷 chopsticks.
筷.
再坚持一下，马上就开饭了。
好的，我来准备碗筷。
It's been a long time coming, but finally we can sit down to a scrummy meal of healthy stir-fried veggies.
But before the gourmet delight, here's our question of the day.
Yes, how do you say chili pepper in Chinese?